have a pump set up right here that pumps the water into the table. When I need it, I just plug it in. Dry air filter. I have a refrigerated dryer on the other side there. I still actually have my Proma torch height controller just mounted. It's not wired up or anything. There's all the wires just hanging there. This system here is automated. I can control the air and current through the software, which is really nice. The cut quality is good, really good. I'm happy with it. That's 11 gauge. There ain't no dross on it. This was a battery holder that I cut, and I cut the parts, and that's just been sitting up here. But I'll turn it over, and you can see the cut quality on that. There's no dross at all. Cut quality is really good. Here's all my steel. I'm going to do the frame out of the 3x3 square and the 2x4 runners and sides or whatever. I haven't figured out exactly what I'm going to do yet, but I have all the extra linear rails and gear rack all ready for the other bigger table. I have a bigger shop now. I got more room, and I just put this rack above the table there. I'll get rid of the welder and I'll turn the table sideways. This is the other side of my second shop. The original shop was here, and originally the table was underneath here, but I've acquired a shear and a press and a couple mills. Got a mill back there, and I kind of ran out of room, so I was able to rent the shop next door and just put a doorway in, and I do most of my work over here, so I have plenty of room in here to work. I've also acquired a small lathe from my father-in-law, surface grinder, another mill. This mill here is in a lot better shape than the other one. I got it and all the tooling for fairly cheap. I'm also working on a CNC mill. I have all the stepper motors, everything's wired up. I got movement. I just got to do a little bit more work on it. It's still a work in progress. That's a lot more work than you realize with programming and stuff like that, if you're not familiar with the CNC machining. There used to be a body shop in this bay here, so he had absolutely no respect for the property and has paint all over the walls. But the ultimate goal is to build this with a 8-foot. I can put an 8-foot sheet on the table and cut with it. All the electronics, the plasma cutter and everything. It's how I like it. It works good. None of the gantry I'll have to change. I might eventually make the air scribe removable to reduce some of the weight, because I have a lot of weight on that gantry now. I haven't had any issues with it. I don't know, it's a possibility. I'll see. I'll weigh it when I start to build the other table.